Okay, so I wanted to film a real quick video. This is gonna be quick and it's gonna be ghetto, and the job is 90% done, but I wanted to show you what I did before I closed it up. So I wanted to put some power in the back cargo bay. I wanted to put a couple USB ports and a 12-volt DC so I can charge my portable battery back here. And also we can run lights at camp, or the kids can plug in their cell phones and that kind of thing, charge them up. But I also wanted it to be super simple and clean-ish. So wanted to show you kind of what we're working with here. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's a semi-completed job. That's the battery that'll eventually be charged by this. So here it is, pretty basic. This came with a panel here, which I don't like panels, because I also may add like another one here, or you know, I might do like a 12-volt barrel adapter here, because some of my lights have those. So this tells me what I'm looking at for voltage right now. 12.7 is pretty normal for the car not started. I think it should be 14.5 and up, 14.3, something like that when the car is actually started. So that's two 5-volt 2.1 amp USB ports. That's my 12-volt like cigarette lighter style, and then this is a switch, turn on and off. Put everything together. Wire is ran through here. Let me show you. So I ran wire through here, down through these grommets. You can just unclip these. Come on. Okay, that one doesn't want to go. Okay, so unclip these, put these in here with the rest of the wires. Took that up here. And then if you could see up there, there is that grommet right there that goes to the firewall. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side. Right there, so where I punched through, I'll tidy that up a bit. That comes to here, to a, put an inline fuse, 40 amp fuse, and then to the battery. I'm gonna button all this up so it's clean, but yeah, that's pretty simple. I'm gonna add another couple USB ports in the middle section, right where the middle row is. So I don't know if I'll film a video for that, maybe, we'll see. If you want me to do that, let me know. But yeah, that's how this goes. It's pretty basic, pretty easy, all things considered. So yeah, if you have any questions, reach out, let me know, I'd love to help. Okay, got it all cleaned up, and here's the finished product. Ignore the scuffs, you know, I use this truck. Adapter plugged into the input of my Rockpal's 520 watt-hour battery. Actually, let me do this so you can see better. Yeah, so turn it on, and she's charging. Some of you guys were wondering what my really expensive drawer system is. It's this 10 gallon, I think I got these from Lowe's, but they fit really well under here. And they're like super cheap. I think like $5-7, something like that. So yeah, there she is. Can't really beat it. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know, but she is done.